Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to book a coach on Resume. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on resume.io and then select this option right here which says book a coach. Now select find a coach. Now select continue. Now you need to enter here some details that they will ask you. The first one is what is your current career stage. Now you need to select one of these three options. Let's go with this one and then select on continue. Now you need to fill questions like these. So after filling all of those details, you guys will get on this page, and right here you need to select one of these options right here. The first option is one session which is worth of $99 US. The second option is 4 sessions and it is worth of $349 US. And the last option is 6 sessions and it is worth of $479 US. And after selecting one of these options, you need to select their select package option. Now you need to enter here your credit card details and then you need to select on this pay button. And after that, you guys can choose your coach from one of the options that they will give you. And that's how you guys can successfully book your coach on Resume. So that's it for the video now. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.